A mailbox can look weather-ready and still fail early through a chipped edge, trapped moisture, loose fasteners, or poor access. The buying decision therefore starts at the installation address, not with the product photograph. First, assess exposure. Determine whether wind-driven rain can reach the door seam, whether direct sunlight heats the front face, and whether sprinklers repeatedly wet the surface. A covered entry, open gate, coastal porch, and apartment corridor create different operating conditions. These differences affect corrosion risk, finish maintenance, carrier access, and the level of evidence required from the supplier. Second, verify capacity rather than relying on external size. An outer envelope of 365 by 115 by 345 millimeters can confirm physical fit, but it does not establish usable internal volume. Door geometry, lock hardware, the mail slot opening, and the retrieval path all reduce available clearance. Daily letters, periodicals, community notices, and periods when residents are away should be considered before approval. Third, examine the complete material system. Galvanized steel uses zinc protection to help reduce corrosion of the underlying steel in ordinary outdoor service, but performance depends on the environment and the condition of the protective layers. Corners, cut edges, welded areas, drainage paths, and mounting holes deserve particular attention. Buyers should request steel thickness, the galvanizing method, coating coverage, and inspection information when these details affect a project specification. Fourth, review the powder-coated finish separately. Powder coating can provide an additional moisture barrier and maintain a consistent appearance, but its value depends on surface preparation, coverage, curing, edge protection, and handling. Confirm that the finish is intended for exterior use, ask for cleaning recommendations, and determine whether touch-up guidance is available. A decorative door treatment may improve curb appeal, but it should not conceal weaknesses in drainage, fastening, or surface protection. Fifth, evaluate access and supplier support. A lock can control access and discourage casual interference, but it does not guarantee protection against forced entry or damage. Check lock operation, door alignment, key allocation, replacement key policy, and spare part availability. For distributors and property managers, the product file should also identify the confirmed model, finish, packaging, minimum order quantity, sample terms, and lead time. Installation introduces two further factors: substrate compatibility and operating clearance. Brick and concrete may require suitable masonry anchors. Siding may need backing, weather sealing, and careful fastening to avoid crushing the exterior surface. Confirm the fixing pattern, supplied hardware, mounting height, and appropriate anchors before drilling. The wall is part of the installed system. Incompatible fixings can lead to loose mounting or water entry even when the mailbox body remains sound. Position is equally important. The carrier should be able to deposit mail without crossing a private barrier or navigating an obstruction. Residents should not need to reach across steps, gates, landscaping, or parked vehicles. Check the door swing and lock clearance while preserving access for cleaning, adjustment, and future replacement. A delivered sample should confirm what documentation claims cannot fully demonstrate. Inspect finish consistency, lock action, door alignment, mounting hole layout, drainage details, and packaging protection. Photograph the approved unit and record the installed model, wall type, anchor type, fixing locations, key allocation, finish color, and any deviations from the mounting drawing. Maintenance should remain simple but deliberate. At the beginning and end of a wet season, open the door, clear debris from seams and hinges, inspect coating around the lock and mounting points, and tighten loose screws. Prompt attention to chips or scratches can prevent moisture from remaining against exposed metal. Finally, verify product identity before ordering. Where a product URL and page content show different model numbers, the discrepancy must be resolved before sample approval, specification, or replenishment. Reliable selection depends on matching documented construction, actual delivery needs, installation conditions, and a practical replacement path.